Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to my vlog. Okay. बहुत दिन हो गया मैंने vlog नहीं बनाया ना, बोलते समय भी थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है. This monkey has to come now. Okay guys, so आज vlog बनाने का कारण क्या है कि आज हमारे घर में आ रहे हैं गेस्ट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गेस्ट. कुछ उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंड के मम्मा है ना, तो उनको हमने इनवाइट किया हुआ था. वो आई हुई हैं दार्जिलिंग, तो इसलिए हमने उनको इनवाइट किया है आज डिनर के लिए, है ना. सो डिनर इज़ रेडी. आई शो यू व्हाट आई मेड. हाँ, सो ये है हमारा वेलकम स्नैक्स, है ना. क्या डिजर्ट है? स्नैक्स.
But cake is dessert, no?
And I have made
Aloo
this
dum.
aloo dum for snacks.
And we'll make fries.
And I've made this chicken
Yeah.
for snacks, है ना.
Yeah, and we'll make French fries.
Yeah. And
French
मैंने
Yeah.
उसके लिए डिनर के लिए बनाया है सब्जी. और यहाँ पे है आपका ये टमाटर का अचार. और यहाँ पे मैंने बनाया है
राइस
करी, है ना. मीट करी.
मीट करी.
हाँ. एंड अब मैं बनाऊंगी थोड़ी देर बाद टिंगमो का पाक. देखो तो बाप रे क्या बढ़िया से उठा है.
एंड फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
एंड उसके बाद चावल भी बनाऊंगी मैं, है ना. तो इतना ही है आज. और डिज़र्ट में मैंने बनाया है तिरामिसू, which I'll show you later. टमाटर अचार. ओके, सो अभी यहाँ डिनर हो रहा है ना. Norgi is here. Say hi, Norgi, say hi. Hi to Popula, Lada. Hello Popula. Popula is here, Dala. Okay, and the dinner is this sabji, tingmo, plain rice, tomato achar, and meat curry. Okay. So, shalang you churna. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
And this chicken, okay? Okay, I'll give you one. Come here. Okay, come here.
I don't need it.
Come, one bite. Good boy.
I don't need it.
왜 계속 나 너? 야, 계속 다시. 왜?
I need this. Ooh. हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है मैं तो कमला और ये है मेरा और ये है मेरा मम्मी मंजली का। बहुत सुंदर है बट बहुत काम करती है। काम वाली। ये है हमारा नर्गी मोटी वाली। अम्मो
कैसा है नर्गी के बारे में कुछ बोलो।
नर्गी बहुत अच्छा है। वो बहुत वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है और वो बहुत नोटी है। इन हिंदी क्लास। बाय बाय गाइस।
ओके सो ये तिरामिसू। चलो अब इसको कट करते हैं। या
तिरामिसू के Even I'm not gonna straight to go. Of course, I think you put extra coffee.
It's very coffee. Dida, que ice cream is delicious. This shaga, right?
Daddy food is not here.
I'm watching.
Oh, what's it doing?
Khari chinachi.
Angela is shooting. Angela is shooting one. 요즘 커피 망볼로랑이 커피 슈로 있나 건졌어. 어디 차이나? 티라미수 만들려니 아이스크림으로 जस्तो रहेछ. How is it? 자, 나도 리뷰 찍나가라 이제. Okay, so this is the dessert. Aku gak ngerti, aku kayak kamu ya.
Too much of coffee.
Oh, kaya ngingal coffee man ko pelulas.
Hindi siya nang so luta ko lang.
Kansta. Do ta londe inda. How the londe?
Whee! Yeah. I like it.
Ali coffee ज़्यादा है, not bad.
Wow. Show me now. Show me now.
아니 glass 영어.
그래도 좀 스카워.
Oh,
wala. Ala.
No, I don't need it.
Have. Try.
If you like
If you love me, okay, fine, less. 키줄라 싸다 간데다.
같이 비었다.
오빠 깨게 타워요.
This is yours.
Why you? How is it, baby?
Show coffee.
커피 망쳐 있어.
Let's see. I didn't like it. Let's see, I didn't need it.
Really?
I didn't like it. I loved it.
Oh yeah, coffee shoot ya. Kaki siya shape. Give me one.
So milky. You put all. So this is coming to my stomach.
coffee.
이거 어디서 올렸어?
This was good.
Noge, how's it? How's the tiramisu?
You know, me and my mother made
다음
this.
다음 리액션 해줘. 감사.
Yeah.
You know, me and my mother made this. First I made very by myself. Then she made.
캐주냐 캐주냐.
I was putting all the coffee as well. This only putting cream. Oh my god!
Kejula, you give me your review. How is it?
딜 이슬라 대체.
How is it, Ishila? 원일하다.
원래가다. 야 꽃이 니냐 인데스.
People nowadays.
Ishila, 파규다. How is it, Ishila?
Kids nowadays. Kids nowadays always say that's good. Kids nowadays always say that's good.
틱tak बनाई 틱tak.
Kids nowadays are very good. They like. There's no.
New vlogger in town is Norgay.
Like
Please subscribe to Norgay's vlog.
Like this. And what to do? Like this. Now press like this. Okay. Go that side too. Go that side. Like this. Like this. And like this. This like this. Like this. Like this. What's up? Come. Come on. What's up, my boy? What are you doing? Oh. You want to make a reel?
Pina. Oh, Anla. Thank you for coming, Anla.
Thank you.
So, safe journey.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Welcome soon.
Bye bye. Bye, Lolo. Okay.